Would you like to learn how to make some super delicious candy bacon deviled eggs? Just like this? You would? Good, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to make some slamming candy bacon deviled eggs.
These are the delights.
Okay, let's get started with some eggs. Most people already know how to boil eggs, right? Wrong. You would be surprised at how many people do it incorrectly. See how mine look all pretty and they're not all beat up looking?
You see them, stop playing.
So if you want some fine behind eggs like mine, check out the video above. The first thing that we have to do is slice all of the eggs in half, which I have already done off camera. And then you just want to take the yolk out of each egg. If you use a spoon, like I'm doing, it makes it nice and easy. And then just collect all of your egg yolks in a separate bowl. And if you have a silverware thief, like I do in my house, here's another nifty way to get the yolk out. Or you can do it like this. Easy peasy. Once you have collected all of your egg yolks, then you just want to mash them up just like so. Once you have gotten all of the eggs mashed up, then we're going to add in some mayonnaise. All of the ingredients and measurements and such will be in the description box below. And then add in some sweet relish, not dill, sweet, and also some honey mustard and some seasoned salt. I'm using Asil, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. This is when it was in its production phase, but now it's here and you can grab yours with the link in the comment section. Or you can use whatever seasoned salt. I was just trying to help your palate. And a little bit of Chick Fil A sauce, but that's optional. If you know, you know, child. Then give that all a good mix. Some people add a little sugar. I don't. I get the sweetness from the sweet relish and the honey mustard and the Chick Fil A sauce. Oops, I forgot the pepper. Add a little bit of white pepper as well. Then you want to take a piping bag and place it into a tall glass and fold it over the glass like so that we can get that yolk mixture, that egg yolk mixture into the piping bag so that it's nice and easy to fill into the egg whites. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just take a Ziploc baggie and cut a little hole at the tip of it and use that instead. Then scoop the egg mixture and put it into the bag. These piping bags are pretty cheap. I got mine at the supermarket, but they also have them in the 99-cent store, child. And then we just proceed to fill each of the eggs up with the egg yolk mixture. And the piping bag just makes this process really easy. Now let's work on our candied bacon, that is. The full instructions on how to make candied bacon is in the video right above. But for now, you can make some candied bacon by taking some brown sugar, adding some honey and some maple syrup and some sweet chili sauce, mixing that all up until you get a really nice consistency like so, and cover that goodness all over your bacon and put it up in the air fryer, child. If you never had candied bacon before, my God, forever. It is life-changing. And if you don't eat pork, I'm gonna pray for you. I'm just kidding. You could totally use turkey bacon. Or you can just leave the meat out altogether. This is also the way you would make regular deviled eggs. After the bacon is all chopped up, just add a little piece of it into the center of each egg, just like so. And then top it with a dusting of garlic and herb Old Bay, but that's optional too. And there we have it. Yes, Lord. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. These eggs were so delicious. That candied bacon just takes it to the next level. You already know. You put bacon on anything, child. It's good. And then when you have the nerve to candy that bacon, child, don't judge me. My diet starts Monday. What you mean again? And add a little chopped scallions for garnish. You just carry these pretty eggs on down to the family barbecue and you can thank me later. God bless you. Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make that food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make that food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make that food look so good. Make sure you